These are the materials you require for this project. Assemble your tools on the surface of any table you like. Now mention the lines on the eraser. I'm taking almost half of the eraser. As you can see, I'm taking around 0.7 centimeter. So the next thing you need to do is to cut the eraser. Be very careful. Now, the next thing you need to do is to cut the edges of the eraser to make a slender one, so it can goes into the pointer. These are the edges you need to cut. Be very careful while doing this, you can get hurt yourself. It's almost ready, but now I need to clean the eraser. Almost ready. I'm taking a dollar pointer. Now, the next step you need to do is to remove the bottom part of the pointer. I have already taken out the excess stuff in it. Now the removal of a head. Be very careful while doing this. I'm taking out the extra part as well. You can mention it on the pointer as well. Now carefully taking out the mentioned part. Adjust the top of it. Make a circle. Inside of it you can see 4 knot kind of things, as it may help to hold on the eraser. Now take the eraser and try to put it into the pointer. You may face some problem. You have to make the adjustment in the edges of the eraser as well. Don't cut it too much. It may lose the grip. Perfect. Now you have to take this stick and push the eraser to the top. The important thing is that you need to use a cylinder stick Now push the eraser to the top. Just like that. It's almost ready to use, but you need to make adjustment on the head. Like a bird on a tree. As you can see, I have already made this one before. It has very clean and neat head. Make cuts while using the cutter. We can sit together. It's so beautiful. Just like that. Well, here you go. Your own Mono Tombow eraser is ready to use. And the best part is you don't have to worry about the safety of it. It will be very much safe, just like an ordinary pointer. I hope you like the idea of how you can make your own Mono Tombow eraser. Do share, like and subscribe to my channel.